एगो। तो आज मैं इसका अनबॉक्सिंग करूँगा और ये पहला DSLR है जो मैंने अपने यूट्यूब की अर्निंग से लिया है। तो चलिए दिखाते हैं आपको कि कैसा है इसके बॉक्स का कंटेंट। सो लेट मी ब्रिंग वन शार्प कटर। ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ द देसी जुगाड़, दिस पेन। तो जैसे आप देख सकते हैं ये कुछ है नहीं, ये कागज़ है और किसी तरह का सेफ्टी या फिर किसी तरह का बबल इसमें लगाया नहीं गया था। और ये आ रहा है टोटली, जो प्रोडक्ट है ये आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं कि ये आ रहा है आंध्र प्रदेश विजयवाड़ा से। और आप देख सकते हैं बिना किसी सेफ्टी के इसको दिया गया है। आई होप एवरीथिंग विल बी गुड इनसाइड। तो ये कैनन M50 जो कि मैंने ऑर्डर किया था जस्ट 1 वीक एगो। तो ये सारे इसके जो कंटेंट्स हैं, वेट, समथिंग इज आल्सो इनसाइड। सो टोटल 7,614 टैक्स लगा इस पर। द एक्चुअल प्राइस इज अराउंड 42,305 रुपीज़, विच यू कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर। ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स keep all this thing aside and unbox the camera itself. So this is the camera box and you can see it is having the 2 years warranty and it's available for 2 years. Just register it on this website, Canon website. So this is the model number and there is one lens which is 15-45 STM lens, which is a kit lens which comes together with the Canon M50. Sorry for this type of unboxing, but I don't have any knife or not even a cutter. So this is my first unboxing and I think it might be not the perfect one, but I am trying. And if there will be any issue, any fault, I am sorry to all of you, but I hope next time it will be better. Okay, so now let's open it. Let's check seal, if seal found broken. Okay, so now from here you can see the seal is okay and I hope the contents inside also is okay. So let's first of all see the description of the product on the box. So it is the Canon contained digital camera EOS M50 and this zoom lens of 15-45 mm and neck strap, battery charger, battery pack. So the same thing written in different language here and you can see Canon EOS M50. Now wait, and this side you can see EOS M50 with this kit lens and here you can see it is of a 24.1 megapixel which is a CMOS sensor and it has a dual pixel Canon industry leading dual pixel technology which helps a lot in auto focusing. You don't need to be worried about the focus while recording the video, and it has the APS-C sensor. And one most important part here is that it can record 4K, but there is some drawback with the 4K on this camera. The first thing is that it will be the cropped resolution and there will little bit more disadvantage, like there will not be any dual pixel with the 4K recording. And now here you can see the very angle LCD and there will be support for the Wi-Fi, NFC, and this is the photo of the camera. And now this side, and this is the billing information, I think. Okay, so it's showing all the details. You can read it, just pause the video, and if you want to know anything regarding the camera you can just read it from here. And again the description about the product. Okay, Okay, so that's all for the box. Now just open it and see the content of the box. Okay, so you can see this is the first thing that you will find in the box when you open it. That is the user manual. It contains all the information regarding the camera. You can read it, and if you want to, and I will read it because I am the new buy to the DSLR camera. Okay, so the first thing is this warranty card, 1+1 2-year warranty, and you can just write the names and all the details here. Okay, so this is the lens, 15 to 45 mm, which has the image stabilization built in, so that's a good thing. So this is the battery for your camera. Now, okay, so this is the charging cable for the camera. I don't think it's needed to show the cable. Okay, so keep it aside. Now the most important part of the unboxing, the camera itself. One more thing is here. Let me see. What is this? Okay, I think this is the charger for the battery. And one more thing, I think inside is the memory card. It's a 16 GB memory card which comes free with the camera. I had not ordered the camera with the memory card. I just ordered only the camera because I ordered the memory card from the side. Let me show the memory card that I ordered. So this is the memory card that I ordered, which is a SanDisk Extreme Pro, and it is at the capacity of 128 GB. So I ordered this one because it has the capacity to record the 4K video that this camera supports. So अगर आप इस मेमोरी कार्ड से रिकॉर्ड करते हैं जो फ्री आता है, तो आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट इट विल बी बेटर ऑप्शन. So I will suggest you to buy the memory card like this. So this memory card costed me around 3,500 something around that. So महंगा है, but it's worth the price if you use the camera daily. So it has the big capacity, so I will not be worried about this size or about the recording issue. Okay, so let's keep this thing aside. And one more thing, I also ordered this card reader. As all you guys know that I have the MacBook Pro, so I need something that can help me to read the memory card. So I ordered this one also, and it costed me around 400 something. And now let's talk about the camera body, which is here. Keep this thing aside. Okay, let me first of all clear all this thing. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द कैमरा बॉडी. जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं, इसको प्रॉपरली बबल बैग में पैक करके रखा गया था, एंड विच इज़ गिविंग लिटिल बिट सेटिस्फेक्शन दैट इट हैज़ नॉट डैमेज थ्रू आउट दिस लॉन्ग जर्नी दैट इज कवर्ड टू रीच टू मी. And the size is very small and it's easy to hold in hand. You can see US M50 Canon. Okay, now this is the viewfinder, and here are all the keys that you will be going to use to control this camera, and all the configuration keys here, the buttons. Now let's go to the camera recording and see how it's recording. So hey guys, so this is a sample video which I am recording for you, and I am recording with the kit lens 15 to 45 mm. So I am just recording the video to give an idea that how good is this camera for the vlogging. So right now you can see I am using the 15 to 45 mm lens, which is in a kit lens, and you can see how the zoom is working in the camera. So first of all, you can see the autofocus of the camera, which is pretty good because it is using the Canon dual pixel autofocus technology, and you can see throughout the movement it's constantly focusing on my face, and even when I'm moving it's focusing on my face. So it's pretty good for the vlogging. If you want to do the vlogging, and then this camera is perfect choice for you. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. And this is my first unboxing video, as I told you earlier, so I don't think that it's going to be the good one, but I tried my best. And if you have any suggestion for me, just comment down below. I will try to consider it in my future uploads. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, good luck, and bye, take care.